Alright guys, welcome to another exciting day of maths. Okay, we're going to review for the second day here. Alright, so the first problem we have is related to circle, right? So we're told that the circumference C is 36 pi and we want to know the area. Alright, so if you think about it, in order to calculate the area, what do you need? You will need to know what the radius is. Okay, so where can you know the radius from? Well, it's of course from the circumference. Okay, this is a very short logic chain, but if you are studying geometry in the future, this is what you need to be able to do, okay, to connect the stuff that you want and trace back to what you should calculate. Alright, so now we wish to find the radius through circumference. It's very simple because the formula for circumference is 2 pi r, and it is equal to 36 pi. So you will be able to find the value of the radius r, which is 18. Okay, and then in order to find the area, you're just doing pi r squared, and that's gonna be 18 square pi. So 324 pi is your answer. Okay, alright, so second problem here. Now, from the linear equation y is equal to 4x plus 3, which quadrant does the graph that's not passing through? Okay, so because it involves a graph, let's draw a very simple draft here. Okay, so approximately where should my line be? This is 4x, so it's going up, right? And this is plus 3, so the y-intercept. Right, the y-intercept is going to be somewhere above, right, above the origin. And now if you have a line that's going through this point and went up, well, this is approximately how this line would look like. And obviously, which quadrant did it not pass through? The fourth quadrant. Okay, excellent. Now guys, let's take a look at question number 3. In the figure, we have DE that's parallel to BC. Okay, we know that BD is 12 and AD is 2. Well, and we know that AE is equal to 3. We wish to find the value of AC right here. Okay, so apparently guys, this is a very classic 8 model here for similar triangles. So we know the two triangles are similar, right? And in order to find a side of a similar triangle, you need to find the corresponding side and another pair of angle that another pair of corresponding side, right? So we know BD is equal to 12. It means AB is equal to 10. Therefore, we can construct a proportion here. AB over AD should be equal to AC over AE. Alright, and clearly you know everything except AC, so just put the numbers in, right? AB is equal to 10, AD is equal to 2, AC is what you're looking for, and AE is equal to 3. Okay, and then if you solve for this equation, you got the answer, right? The answer is D here. AC should be equal to 15 here. Okay, alright, for question number 4, the intersection of line y equal to 3x minus 9 and y equal to 6 minus 2x is. Alright, so we have two linear equations and they are intersecting at one single point. What is this point? Well guys, I have to repeat this, right? The solution of a linear equation is also a point on the graph. Right? So if this point is an intersecting point, it means it's the solution for both of the equations. So what you can do, you can create a system of linear equation. Y equal to 3x minus 9, y equal to 6 minus 2x. If you solve this system of linear equation, supposedly what you got is going to be the intersection, which is also a solution that works for both equations. Okay, so what you're gonna find is that x will be equal to 3, y is gonna be equal to 0, and this point of intersection should be 3, 0. Okay, alright, one last problem here. Otto tossed a mystery coin for 150 times. The outcome is 100 heads and 50 tails. The experimental probability of tails being up is how many? So here is the thing, guys. There's an interesting word. It's called mystery. Okay, guys. Coins look flat, right? But does a mystery coin looks flat necessarily? Not really, right? It can be, I'm gonna just say it, right? It can be a sphere, guys. It doesn't really matter because the problem told us it's not a regular coin, right? It's not a fair coin, right? Mystery is like against the idea of a fair coin. So it's not guaranteed that the head and tail have the same possibility. And also, this question specifically asks for experimental probability. So the experimental probability should come from experiments. And this is where your experiment is. Okay, so you've done 150 attempts and the number of tails is 50. Okay, so your probability of tail winding up is 1/3. Don't get restricted by your common sense here. Okay, all right, guys. So this is the day 2 review session. Keep up your good work, and I'll see you tomorrow at day 3. Okay.